This review has been long time coming. The Brainwavz Delta. It's an important product in the world of earphones. There are a lot of good products out there. We don't refer to them as an important product. The near $20 price tag is a justified reason for saying so. Let's find out why. When Brainwavz first wanted me to look at the Delta, I was somewhat reluctant because I did not know what to expect. However, I'm glad that I looked at it. First, let's get the unboxing done. There are 3 color variations to choose from. Once we open the box, there is a hard shell carry case that Brainwavz includes with even their top of the line products. The quality of the case is indeed fit for top of the line products, yet it's refreshing to see that they are throwing it in for a budget offering as well. Inside the case, we have a whole range of accessories. There is a shirt clip, 3 sets of silicone ear tips, there is a Velcro strap for cable management. The final piece of inclusion is my favorite, the memory foam ear tip. Now let's look at the earphones themselves. The color would vary depending on which one you selected. Quality-wise, they are very well made. The earphone shell looks like metal because they are made of aluminum. The cable is simple yet functional with a single button inline mic. Then finally we have the jack that is gold-plated. While the setup so far is somewhat simple, everything is aimed towards functionality. Let us talk about the included memory foam ear tip. When we put it on, all we have to do is squeeze it a bit and then place it in our ears. It expands softly and conforms to our ear's shape. The seal is therefore perfect every time. And this makes a big difference in terms of comfort and, more importantly, the sound. So let us talk about the sound. The first impression I got was that it was clean enough. I had used it quite a bit and played practically any genre that my mood demanded. The Delta performs adequately for all of them. There is sufficient bass, the mids are well pronounced, and trebles are crisp. Is this the best set of earphones that I have used? Well, of course not. Is this better than the default earphones that are included with top-of-the-line phones? You bet. That is where the important bit comes in. I have received so many questions over the years. Hey Salesberg, I lost my iPhone or Samsung earphones. Where can I get a replacement? Well, if you want the genuine stuff, Samsung website sells them, which brings me to the next most asked question. Hey Salesberg, the replacement earphones I ordered sounds horrible. Well, the 2 mentioned earphones are one of the most widely copied, and these knockoffs are sold as the genuine stuff all over the internet and shopping malls. The genuine earphones from either Samsung or Apple will cost more than $20, or at least in official outlets, unless something changes. Let's say someone bought the official copy of Samsung or Apple earphone. It would still be far inferior than the Delta. Thus, this makes Delta an important product in the ocean of items out there. Need a replacement earphone? Decent, well-built ones that sounds good with proper inclusions that does not cost a lot? Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Brainwavz Delta. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have liked it. Whether you liked it or disliked it, I always look forward to your feedback. Also, the link to purchase these products are in the description below. Using those links do help our channel a lot. There are more great videos on the way, and I'm also planning a giveaway soon, so please do check back. And in the meantime, take care of yourself. I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.